Namaste guys. So today we'll be learning days of the week in French language. Alright. So les jours de la semaine. Jour in French language is day. Alright. And when we add an extra S, it will become days. Alright. So les jours de la semaine. Semaine means week. Alright, week. Always keep this in mind. Les jours de la semaine, the days of the week. And in French language, the is known as of. Alright. And la, when the things are specific in French language. Alright. De la semaine, of the week. So let's start. Let's start with the very first one, lundi. Speak with me, lundi. So what is the rule of pronunciation? La, di, lundi. All right, lundi means Monday. Now, mardi. Mardi. Some people will also call it mardi. That I won't say it is wrong because in the beginning you can call it as mardi, but the correct pronunciation is mardi. All right. Because R in French language is somewhere pronounced as kh. Sometimes only, not always, because it's not parler, it's parler. All right. Here it's mardi. Mardi. All right. Mercredi. Mercredi is Wednesday. Say with me. Mercredi. Alright. Same thing goes for jeudi. Jeudi. Alright. Keep this in mind. Je and then di. Jeudi. Vendredi. This is known as vent. All right, dredi, vendredi. All right, then comes samedi. What? Samedi. Samedi. All right, that this is Saturday. This one, Saturday. Now, dimanche. So now how will you pronounce dimanche? Dimanche. How will you pronounce it? D-I the dimanche. All right, dimanche. Always remember, in French language, an gives you a sound of on, not on, but on. All right, on. Dimanche. All right. Let's move to the next slide now. Now, some basic vocabulary. All right. Now jour in French language is day. Jour in French language is day. Semaine. So the logic here goes with se. It is not c or se, c. It is se. Me. Semaine. All right. Semaine. Semaine means week and semaine is feminine. So it is la semaine. All right. Aujourd'hui. So o, this is o. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. Demain. So if you observe carefully, here and here, it's giving ma sound, ma, demain, the, ma. This is not main in French language. This is ma, demain. All right. Hier. It is hier. All right. Let me just write here because yeah. Hier. All right. Hi is giving the sound of e. All right. E, air. The one It is a similar pronunciation related to parler. Hier, parler. La nuit dernière. La nuit dernière. The last night. Hier means yesterday. Hier means yesterday. All right. And la nuit dernière is last night. So now let's focus on some of the basic sentences. Let me just, yeah. Mm, yeah. Now, how will you going to use all these things in your common sentences? I have already taught you eth verb, and avoir verb. So let's see the application. Mo vol a lundi. Now, vol is your flight. Let me just put it here. Vol is your flight. Mo vol a lundi. All right, my flight is on Monday. Here, Mo is, let me just tell you, there is one video I have made concerning Mo Mame Totate, and so the video I'll leave the link of that video in the comment section or in the description section. Please check that out. It is important in order to tell something things like my, yours, all right, these kind of things. So now let's start with je rentre jeudi. Je rentre jeudi. Je rentre jeudi. So it is Thursday. I'm going back. Ron. So the verb is the verb is rentre. All right. The verb is rentre. Rentre means is to going back. All right. Il y a une fête samedi. Samedi. All right. There is a party Saturday. Une fête means no. Une fête. Fête is party. All right. Que faites-vous ce weekend? What are you doing this weekend? Now, if you observe carefully, in this one I have used vous. All right. So with vous, what I'll say is it is formal. The context here is formal. All right. Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi. Today is Wednesday. So you can, use these kind of things in your day-to-day conversation. For example, je rentre and then the name of the day. Je rentre demain. For example, tomorrow I'm going back. So, all right. No need to use le la le here because most of the students in their A1 level lose marks because they add extra le or la before their days of the week. So don't do this mistake. All the best. That's it from my side. Thank you.